So it is Christmas time, and that means the wife and I get to fight over the Christmas tree. She shuts it off, I turn it on. She shuts it off, I turn it on. I like my Christmas tree on. I love Christmas. But it's also that time of year we're going to start to have fires. And if you have a fireplace with glass, or especially a wood-burning stove, that's critical. I'm going to show you how to clean it and protect the glass, not just clean it. Now, I'm going to warn you, in the comments, there's going to be 100 comments down there that says just use vinegar or vinegar and water, vinegar and baking soda. Okay, yes, that'll probably clean it, but it will not protect it. And that's what you want. You want to protect it for the next time. So Vermont Casting's wood stove. I absolutely love this thing. I've had several wood stoves over decades, and I've always wanted a Vermont Castings, and I finally got one. Oh, this little wood, I got that on Amazon. That's really solid, by the way. And it's small, doesn't take up a lot of space, that firewood stand. I love that. I'll also show you my fat wood that I start the stove with. But let me show you how to clean this. Okay, so yes, you can use vinegar and baking soda and water. You can take a newspaper, then dip it in the ash and clean it, no problem. Okay, but the problem is especially with a wood stove, that these temperatures get extremely hot inside here, is you want to protect it. You want a silicone protectant that stays on the glass. And the only product I use, and I'll tell you right now, I couldn't get it for 6 months because I guess it was because of COVID. I couldn't get it. They were sold out. So it's hard to get this time of year. And I'll put a link to this, which is the Rutland. It's a special one. They make several different cleaners. I'll link to this. I'll link to that wood stove stand, which is small but extremely sturdy. I love that thing. And then I'll link to my these little fat wood fire starters. I buy these by the case. You just put a match to them. They start up, and they start up the fire real quick. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of paper, just a regular paper towel, and I'm going to apply it. I'm just going to put a little dab, just a little bit on here. Now this will last you a whole year at least. And all I'm going to do, hope you can see this. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe this around. We'll let it sit on there for a minute. And then I'm going to go do the other one. You can see what's coming off already. Last year I couldn't get this stuff, and I had a horrible black residue. And I essentially had to take a scrubby pad in this to try and get this off. You will damage your glass. You do not want to use something like a stainless steel on it. You want to use this product and just keep scrubbing it and scrubbing it if you've got a real heavy black buildup. I'm just going to go around. I'm going to apply it once on here. The majority of it will come off right away. You can see it coming off right away. Then what I'm going to do, here's the beauty about this product. It leaves a silicone coating on your glass. So this will leave a coating of silicone, which does what? It makes it easier to clean the next time. That's the key to it. You've got to have something that has a silicone base to it. So now I'm going to put another dab on here. Just do a little bit of a wipe. I like to leave it just where it's clear. I don't want to take all this cleaner off. Just where it's clear. I want to leave some of that silicone on. I've got the cleaner on here. I'm just going to go around here, clean it off. You can see how easy this comes off, and why. Because I have used this product every single time now that I do a fire, and it leaves that coat of silicone on there. And I'm not going to try and get it all off. I'm just going to lightly wipe it so it's clear. Once it's clear, I'm going to stop because I want that protective silicone in there. Let me just show you real quick how I start my fires in my stove. I always take 2 bottom logs, and I'll put 2 bottom logs in here, just like this. And then I take my fat wood sticks, and I usually take 3 or 4 fat wood sticks. And here's what I just leave them sticking out all together. Like this right here. They all come together just like that. So see how they're in a point? Then if you want, you can even put a little piece of newspaper under here, and then build your fire up. Just build your fire up. Put a few smaller pieces in here, and then go up with your larger pieces. Kind of loud. And that's pretty much it. That's how I start my fire. And all I have to do is just come in here with a match, light this, close the doors, and I'm done. And those fat wood sticks are fantastic, pretty much all natural. I think you can see just how clear that is. Trying to get my orangeness out of there. See just how clear and how good looking that glass is right now. And that has a protective coating on it. That's what you want. So I'm going to link, because I know people always ask me because I never put a link on it. This firewood stand I absolutely love. It's small, it's clean lined, it looks really nice. Those are the little motion fans that they actually operate, they actually spin and blow based on heat. That's what makes them work. They don't have any electricity on them, and they do circulate. So I bought 2 of those. Man, they work fantastic. You're just moving the air into the house. And then my fat wood sticks, I'll put a link to those. I buy those by the case. Again, you just put a match to them, they start up and they go. That's about it. Hope that I help you guys. Talk to you later. Doc.